Has some pretty stars in sight. And also have the little white objects that seem to come from the capsule itself and drift off. And if they are a yaw check, it's fantastic. I suspect that the star I see is Arcturus. Would be very interesting. It is neither. It is one of the white objects. So I have two stars that are staying quite still. The white object actually looked like it came toward me, but it wasn't. You can actually see the particle there going off, as John described it, as a lathe shaving. It's a very good description of it. My rates are now just about 0 in all three axes. I still have light in the periscope, of course. I'm looking straight up, and yet at this point, just to prove that my altitude is, I get in the couch here, I really can't pick it too well. Yeah, I'm just about inverted at this point. And that my nose is above the horizon. As a result, I notice that these particles keep tending aft of me, relative to me, at any time. Periscope is blacking out rather rapidly at sunset. It's almost blacked out completely at this point and is really not usable. Getting a real burst of light in the window, and I really don't know what it is. At this point, I should be coming up on a sunset. 5 hours and 15 minutes. Periscope is dark. I must be just getting the last look at the horizon, yet I'm not down on it.